Are you tired of juggling multiple tools just to keep your facial and body hair looking sharp? A high-quality trimmer can completely simplify your grooming routine. Today, I am sharing the absolute best grooming kits for men to help you maintain a clean, polished look effortlessly. Let us jump right in. Product number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series MG3919/50. If you are looking for an exceptional, multi-purpose tool to handle your entire grooming routine, this comprehensive kit is a phenomenal starting point. I am highly impressed by the self-sharpening, skin-friendly blades, which feature unique rounded tips that guarantee a completely comfortable trim without irritating my skin. The inclusion of 13 interchangeable attachments makes it incredibly easy to manage my beard, head hair, and even pesky nose and ear hair with total precision. It offers 9 distinct length settings, allowing me to transition seamlessly from a clean stubble shadow to a well-maintained long beard. I love the ergonomic handle, which provides an outstanding, secure grip while I maneuver around tricky areas like my jawline. With up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge and convenient USB-A charging capabilities, it is a highly dependable, all-around grooming powerhouse that belongs in every bathroom cabinet. Product number 2. MANSCAPED the Lawn Mower 5.0. For those who prioritize safe and incredibly effective below-the-waist grooming, this highly advanced body trimmer is an absolute game changer. I am completely blown away by the remarkable interchangeable dual-head system. I effortlessly use the skin-safe trimmer blade to reduce bulk length, and then follow up with the foil blade for an incredibly smooth finish. The brilliantly designed dual-temperature LED light perfectly illuminates multiple skin tones, guaranteeing I never have to awkwardly guess while trimming incredibly difficult areas. I truly appreciate the entirely waterproof construction, completely allowing me to save massive amounts of time by streamlining my cleanup directly in the hot shower. The high-quality lithium-ion battery firmly holds a highly reliable charge for up to 60 minutes, and the brilliant travel lock ensures it never accidentally turns on inside my crowded gym bag. It is a highly specialized, ultra-premium tool designed for flawless body manicuring. Product number 3. Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series MG3939/50. If you love the fantastic versatility of the 3000 series, but demand the absolute highest level of heavy-duty blade durability, this full metal variant is entirely exceptional. I love how the immensely strong, self-sharpening full metal blades effortlessly power through incredibly thick hair and remain perfectly sharp from day one, requiring absolutely zero oiling for maintenance. Similar to the standard model, it smartly includes 13 highly versatile pieces, but it features 8 highly specific length settings to dial in your exact preferred beard style perfectly. The incredibly handy click-on narrow detail trimmer is phenomenally useful, adding incredibly sharp, effortless definition to the exact edges of my goatee and precise mustache. I find the 60-minute battery life to be incredibly reliable, and the entirely rinsable blades make the post-grooming cleanup incredibly fast. It is a highly rugged, incredibly dependable all-in-one solution for achieving professional results. Product number 4. Wahl Color Pro Cordless, Model 9649P. When it comes to delivering a highly accessible and remarkably easy-to-use family haircutting experience, this wonderfully intuitive cordless clipper is absolutely essential. I am completely amazed by the brilliantly simple color-coded guide combs, which make finding and remembering everyone's exact favorite hair length entirely effortless, completely eliminating the fear of ruining a haircut. The incredibly smooth, removable blades are entirely rinsable, meaning I can simply run them under the tap to instantly wash away all the excess, sticky clippings. I absolutely love the outstanding 60-minute cordless runtime, granting me the total freedom to comfortably cut hair outside on the patio or completely away from frustrating wall outlets. The brilliantly engineered dual voltage support makes it an exceptionally perfect travel companion, easily adapting to different electrical systems worldwide without a single issue. It is a phenomenally reliable, incredibly user-friendly device that consistently delivers flawlessly smooth, totally pain-free haircuts. Product number 5. Philips Norelco 1360 Hybrid Face, Model QP2724/90. Rounding out my top picks is a revolutionary hybrid tool that fundamentally changes the way I approach shaving and trimming. I am absolutely captivated by the innovative 360 blade, which flexes in all directions to maintain constant skin contact, easily navigating the difficult contours of my face and jawline. The incredibly fast-moving cutter effortlessly tackles even longer hairs, while the dual protection system ensures the shave is incredibly smooth and comfortable. I love using the 5-in-1 adjustable comb to quickly trim my beard to an even stubble, and the dual-sided blade lets me create razor-sharp edges effortlessly. It is completely waterproof, so I can use it wet with shaving cream or dry for a rapid touch-up. With a dependable 45-minute battery life and a blade that lasts up to 4 months, it is a brilliantly designed, ultra-convenient grooming companion. Check the links provided to grab your favorite grooming tool and keep your style looking flawless every single day.